help us reach our goal. Please subscribe to get us to 5,000 subscribers.
She dances not for the eyes alone, but for the spirits of her ancestors.
Each movement carries meaning, joy, strength, womanhood, life.
This is the rhythm of the land, the heartbeat of Africa.
She is not just dancing, she is preserving history.
Africa is not just a place. It is a rhythm, a heartbeat passed down through generations.
Amen. From the soil that raised her ancestors, she rises.
Every step is a language, every movement, a message. She does not dance alone. The spirits of her ancestors dance with her.
This is the dance of womanhood, of strength, resilience, and pride, a celebration of becoming.
In African tradition, dance is never alone. It unites the village. It binds generations together.
We dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Feel the beat of the drum.